Hey, good afternoon. Trader John Caruso coming to you here for the afternoon of August 4th with a quick look in on the market. This morning, we did see a pretty turbulent session. We had a big rally going on in the metals this morning. Gold up to 1835, silver up to 2605. Then we saw them start to peel back fairly aggressively after the Fed's Richard Clarida delivered a speech talking about the possibility of a taper later on this year. Gold traded back to 1809. It's back at 1815 right now, kind of stabilizing. We still remain bullish on gold from the appropriate levels. Silver, we're not quite sure what to do with silver, so we're not doing much with silver at the moment. Still carrying negative momentum in our model. Oil down 3.5%. I do think that the narrative starting to play out right now in the oil patch is the COVID scare. Is that going to delay the open or the reopening of the economy? Is that going to start to delay people's travels plans in the fall? I don't know how that's going to play out. What I do know is that crude oil is still very much carrying a bullish trend on a 6-month trending basis. However, we are starting to see the signs of an intermediate term top starting to build in crude oil. We do think that there is trading opportunities back on the long side. I do think there's some risk in the immediate term back to 67, which could offer a long side entry for a trade, mind you, in crude oil to possibly retest 70 or 71 a barrel. Keep that in mind. We think we're in a stagflationary economic backdrop right now that's growth slowing, inflation still remaining elevated. We still like shorting small cap value from the appropriate levels, and we still like allocating to mega cap tech and your tech heavy NASDAQ index from the appropriate levels on the long side. So what are the appropriate levels? Well, you're just going to have to come over the wall, message me directly. We'll add you to our market list, and we'll send you those levels every single morning. The other thing, I kind of want to shift gears here a little bit. I was watching one of my all-time favorite movies on TV last night. It's the movie Rounders, starring Matt Damon. Matt Damon, in the beginning of the movie, he's talking about, and I've often written about the parallels between playing poker and trading and investing. The parallels, believe me, are endless. In the beginning of the movie, he's talking about how do you win at poker? Well, he says you grind it out. Okay, your goal is to win one big hand every hour, one big hand an hour, and the rest of the time you're just grinding. And it's the same thing with trading. It's the same thing with investing. But both games of trading and investing and playing poker, they're both games that can be played skillfully. But then there's also that certain element of chance that comes into play that you just kind of you're just kind of forced to deal with. It's the parallels between trading and poker, and believe me, are endless. The one thing that I firmly believe in is having a set of rules or a set of guidelines that you adhere to, some principles that you adhere to when you're making trading decisions and investment decisions in the marketplace, and sticking to those decisions for better or for worse. Okay. And the more you're playing this game in a skillful manner, all right, the more you're increasing your probabilities of being successful over time. I firmly believe that. So if you haven't seen the movie, check it out. It's a fantastic movie. I think you'll find a lot of parallels between trading and investing. I think you'll really enjoy it. That's all I got for you right now. I got to get back to the grind. We'll see you back here next time. Once again, don't forget to like and share this video. We'll see you back here next time. And feel free to message me, jcaruso@rjofutures.com. Good luck. We'll catch you next time.